Every country in the world is wrestling with its own housing problems, but probably none is comparable to Hong Kong, where housing has enduringly been a major concern to almost everybody over the past decades. The Policy Address 2013 reiterated an ambitious housing plan. However, Hong Kong is suffering from a series of constraints, such as labor shortages, time, safety, and environment protection to deliver the housing plan. Public housing plays an important role in providing residences for the Hong Kong people. Hong Kong Housing Authority, HKHA, has been a sector leader pioneering the development and applications of information technology and systems, ITIS, throughout its construction and housing operations. HKHA has been working with its business partners on the application of BIM and ERP homes.
BIM contributes a lot to enable better productivity for public housing construction in Hong Kong. We need more data for the Housing Authority to make advanced decision-making based on BIM, and now we are facing two challenges in order to excel. One is data fragmentation, and the other is discontinuity. We have a vision to bridge the gaps between BIM and homes. One notable action is to enable real-time visibility and traceability of prefabricated components to facilitate site management.
In order to tackle these challenges, with the help from LSCM R&D Center, the RFID-Enabled Building Information Modeling (BIM) platform for prefabrication housing production in Hong Kong is carried out by Professor George Huang, Dr. Wilson Lu, Professor Thomas Ng, and Professor Jeffrey Shun from the University of Hong Kong and the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. The solution uses RFID for tracking precast components from prefabrication production and transportation logistics to delivery at the construction site and installation of the prefabrication components, where the tracking data is used for life cycle management of the project. The geospatial data collected is fed into the BIM system, and information sharing is further enhanced by linking BIM with the Hong Kong Housing Authority's own Housing Construction Management Enterprise System, or HOMES, for more efficient and effective project management. 3 innovative technologies were employed in the solution. First, a scheme for converting typical construction objects into smart construction objects using IoT and cloud technology was introduced, along with an innovative RFID-enabled gateway designed and developed for managing the SCOs. Secondly, an RFID-enabled BIM platform employing IoT and cloud techniques for designing the architecture and a suite of services and tools was developed. Finally, the 3D design and modeling in BIM was expanded to a multi-dimensional application by making full use of the collected real-time data. Three pilot projects were conducted in the prefabrication construction supply chain management: Wing Hong Sun for prefabrication production, Ying Yun for logistics, and Tuen Mun site for assembly. The pilot run for the prefabrication production was conducted at the facility of Wing Hong Sun Enterprises Limited, the manufacturer for the public housing project.
用咗 RFID 預製件成為咗智能物件，實時嘅生產信息可以隨時採集。
Yingyuan Transportation Limited is one of the major transportation providers in this project, which provides cross-border transportation service for precast components from Wing Hong Sun Limited. Relevant stakeholders from WHS, Gammon, and HA can monitor the statuses of transportation orders and transportation tasks through the web-based system of PTS in real time.
我哋公司咧用咗呢個系統咧，運輸計劃咧執行上都有所改善。基於呢個實時嘅位置啊、信息啊同埋狀態咧，都可以隨時追蹤得到。
Tuen Mun A54 S2B is the pilot project of this study. The site A54 is located at Jitin Road, Tuen Mun, near Siu Hong subway station on the West Rail line. There are 5 residential buildings and 1 commercial center under construction now. The schedule of each residential block is based on a 6-day cycle. The cycle is asymmetric for different wings to utilize the tower crane located in the center of the block. When the targeted components, facades in this project are erected, a technician brings an RFID reader and an app on smartphone to confirm the erections. The data will be uploaded to system in real time. If there's any error, for example, misplacement detected by GPS, the system will alert as soon as possible. For example, if a facade is erected in a wrong place, a quick alert will save a lot from reworks and keep the quality of the structure.
呢個系統可以令到我哋承建商 real time 即實時知道整個預製件嘅生產、運輸、到貨同埋安裝嘅時間表。喺資料輸入方面，比傳統用開嘅方法更加快捷。系統附設111電話嘅程式，只要輸入一啲簡單嘅指令，用家就可以喺電話度管理整個預製件嘅生產流程。
The project integrates RFID technology with BIM technology to innovate a platform, which is the ultimate technology this project is going to deliver.
We developed a web system and a smartphone app to collect the product information such as product time, product line, quality check, loading time, and other information. The information can be synchronized in a BIM-based platform and will be used in later stages, such as transportation and site installation.
In this ITF project, we try to put the information of the components in the RFID tag and integrate it with the BIM model for track and trace purpose. The project manager can visualize the real-time construction process through the BIM model.
We are very pleased to have the opportunity to work with several professors in the University of Hong Kong on this exciting project, which explores the use of a group of technologies to see how they can be integrated to improve the efficiency and the effectiveness of prefabricated construction projects. And they can also be integrated with the existing system they use.
Thanks for the Innovation and Technology Fund and LSCM R&D Center and our project team. We are now able to track and trace the real-time construction progress through an n-dimensional BIM approach, which can reflect the real-time situations of prefabrication production, logistics, and on-site construction. I believe that with our concerted efforts on making our building industry greener, safer, and with better productivity, the future of Hong Kong's building industry will be one of the sparkling stars in the world.
I'd like to thank all the project team members for the hard work and seamless collaboration.